Hello foodies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful, delicious stir-fried vegetable rice. It is so delicious and will have your family asking for more. So we're going to start off with a bit of oil, and I'm just using normal vegetable oil. I'm going to add in my chopped onions, chopped carrots, and I'm going to stir them in. Then I'll be adding some salt, just a little bit of salt to add flavor to the onions and the carrots and to caramelize the carrots. Once this is done, I'll be adding in my corn, and then I'll add in peas. These are the green peas, and some broccoli. I made sure to have my broccoli pre-boiled just a little bit. Then I'm going to be adding cumin, coriander powder, about 1 tablespoon of each will do. And then I'll be adding some dark soy sauce. This should be about 2.5 tablespoons, and a bit of salt to add as well. Then I'm gonna let it simmer and then push it onto one side, then add in my rice. Once the rice is ready, this is how it should be looking. So delicious, so quick, and that's it guys. You have your stir-fried vegetable rice. See you in the next one. Thanks for staying tuned guys. Bye.